Write the directions to the places you talked about in Activity G. Language focus. Using our voices. Our voices go up or down when we talk. Our voices go up for greetings, questions that can be answered with yes or no. Our voices go down for statements, questions beginning with who, what, when, where, why, and how. Pair word. Ask and answer the questions with information about yourself. Make sure your voice goes up or down correctly. 1. What's your name? 2. Do you want to play a game? 3. What games do you like to play? 4. Is your family from Sylhet? 5. Can you speak French? 6. Do you live in Dhaka? 7. What's your best friend's name?
Let's practice the following dialects.
What's your name? My name is Ruma. Do you want to play a game? Yes, I want to play a game. What games do you like to play? I like to play badminton. Is your family from Sylhet? No, my family is not from Sylhet. Can you speak French? No, I cannot speak in French. Do you live in Dhaka? Yes, I live in Dhaka. What's your best friend's name? My best friend's name is Nasrin.